students, myself Ajit Pratap Singh. Today in video number 28, I will tell you about periodic motion, also about non-periodic motion. Apart from this, I will let you know about oscillatory motion and different motions at the same time also. So first of all, I will begin with periodic motion. Okay students? When any object repeats its motion after a certain interval of time, then this kind of motion is called periodic motion. Okay students? And if the same motion occurs again and again, it is said to be the repetitive motion. Repetitive motion that repeats itself at a regular interval of time is called periodic motion, the same. Okay? In the activity, you will be able to understand really well. In this activity, you will have to tie a ball to one end of a thread and you will have to hold the other end of the thread so that the ball hangs freely. Note the position of the ball when it is at rest. Okay. Now give the ball a gentle push. You will see it move to and fro about its position of rest. For sure that whenever you will give it a gentle push, then it will move in a to and fro position. The time it takes for one to and fro motion remains constant. So students, the time will always remain constant in one to and fro motion. Okay. Now we will move to the next slide. A ball tied to a string is known as pendulum. It undergoes periodic motion. Okay. So this is also another example of periodic motion. The motion of a clock pendulum or that of a swing is also similar, which I will show you in the next pic. Okay, in the next slide. The motion of the earth around the sun is also periodic motion. Therefore, it always takes the same amount of time to complete one revolution around the sun. That is also given in the figure. Similarly, the motion of the moon around the earth is periodic motion, and so is the motion of the hands of a clock. When you strike the strings of a guitar, they undergo fast periodic motion, producing sound. When the skin of a tabla is beaten, it also undergoes fast periodic motion, that also producing sound. Okay. Now the next slide. Now I will tell you about non-periodic motion. Okay. A motion in which an object repeats its motion but not at a regular interval of time. So in this kind of motion the time is not fixed. Okay. So this is known as the non-periodic motion. For example, swinging of your arms while walking. Whenever students we swing our arms while walking, then sometimes we swing it fast and sometimes we swing it slowly. So that's why it is a non-periodic motion. Whenever we hit any iron object with the help of a hammer at the regular basis, then sometimes we hit it very slowly and sometimes we hit it very quickly. So this is also an example of non-periodic motion. Similarly, the beating of your heart, sometimes our heart beats fast and sometimes our heart beats slowly. Okay students, now you can see the picture of periodic motion, that is of a pendulum of a clock, in which the pendulum of a clock repeats its motion after a fixed interval of time. That's why it is a periodic motion. Similarly, the swing is also an example of periodic motion. Okay. Now the next slide. The revolution of the earth around the sun This is also an example of periodic motion, as I told you. Now I will tell you another type of motion, that is oscillatory or vibratory motion. A special type of repetitive motion is called oscillatory motion or vibratory motion, or we can also tell it as a to and fro motion, right? It is periodic in which it is a periodic motion in which the object moves about a mean position. Okay, the motion of a pendulum is oscillatory motion. Its mean position is the position of the rest. So the mean position is the position of the rest, and it moves on either side of this mean position, either left side or right side, like the pendulum moves in a clock. The motion of a string of a guitar and the skin of a tabla are also oscillatory motion. Okay, students. Now I will tell you about different motions occurring at the same time. An object can have more than one kind of motion at the same time. The earth rotates, that is the rotational motion, about its axis, and at the same time it revolves around the sun in a circular path. So it is a translatory motion also. The wheels of a bicycle rotate in a rotational motion, and at the same time they move forward in a straight or curved path, that is a translatory motion. Similarly, a ball rolling on the ground undergoes both translatory and rotational motion. Okay, students. Observe a running swing machine. Its wheel undergoes rotational motion while the needle moves up and down. The motion of both the wheel and the needle is periodic. Here the motion is same. So at the same time you can see the example of different type of motion at the same time as well, like bicycle wheels, rolling ball, etc. So thank you, students, for watching this video. Now I hope that you will be able to understand and tell about periodic and non-periodic motion, apart from this oscillatory motion also, and different motions at the same time also.